Welcome to the review of the XPS 15. The XPS lineup itself is so amazing that it can crush through any job thrown at it. And the 2020 refresh of the XPS lineup is no such difference. It's a complete aluminum unibody design with carbon fiber textures in the front. Don't judge its performance based on its thickness. It's really sleek, but it packs a lot of horsepower inside it. So you're looking at a Core i7 10th gen with 16 gigs of RAM and a really fast M.2 SSD. The main highlight of this laptop is its display. It's a gorgeous 16:10 aspect ratio display that is absolutely stunning to watch. You can watch Netflix, you can play games on it, and you can do whatever content surfing you do, and the display just looks amazing. The keyboard is backlit. It's not RGB, it's just single lit. You can vary the lighting intensity, but it's just one single white color. This is one of the best keyboard experiences I've ever had in a Windows machine, if not the best. I think they should take some credits from the Alienware M15, which is really amazing to type on. Moving on to the trackpad is enormous. It really expands to the size of an actual mouse. The trackpad gives a really responsive feel, and it's a glass back trackpad, so you will not have any issues. Moving on to the port selection, on the left you have a Kensington lock and two Thunderbolt ports. On the right you have a single Type-C, which is not Thunderbolt supported, and a full-sized SD card slot with a aux. These are by far the best speakers I have ever heard on a Windows machine. It's comparable to the MacBooks, but the bass is slightly toned down. It's really amazing. You can have a sound sample of the audio. The one area they have skimmed out on this laptop is the cameras. The camera is 720p camera. It's okay-ish, but they could have done a lot better since you're paying a really premium price for it. It has a fingerprint sensor, and it also supports Windows Hello. The gaming performance is decent to the best, but I would not recommend this if you are a hardcore gamer. This is for the people who are really into ultra thin portable laptop, which really packs a punch in the performance. You can do occasional gaming, but it's not a gaming laptop. So my verdict, if you can pay the premium and you want a Windows laptop which packs a punch inside it, which can do all the job and you can do occasional gaming, then this is the laptop for you. So this was my review for the XPS 15. Hope you liked it, and see you in the next one.